I'm coming to you while traveling in Japan. This will be my, oh my gosh, how many years have I been attending Tokyo Comic Con? I've really lost count. And I'm so grateful that my line of work allows me to meet fans from all around the world. I'm proof to show that if you're a pro artist, you can work from anywhere if you have the right thinking, the right process, and the right logic. I'm here working on a deadline, but I've dug up this old page from my portfolio 20 years ago. In my last video, we talked about spotting mistakes. Today, I am done talking. Look at this. I used to be so proud of this. I put hours into the rendering. I thought it was ready to get me my dream gig. I was wrong. Looking at it now, it screams amateur. Yes, it is pretty, but it has no direction. It wasn't getting me work because it wasn't doing the job. I'm not going to analyze it today. I'm going to reimagine it in real time right now. I am not thinking how pretty this page is going to look right now. I am not thinking about the rendering. I'm thinking about where do the characters sit? How does the story flow? Does it move the eye? Are the characters interacting? Are they showing emotion? How is the spacing for the word bubbles? This all has to fit in place to make it work together. And you know what? Changing that angle, man, the storytelling is fixed. This is what a pro sounds like. That took me, what, a few seconds? It used to take me 3 days to fail at a page like this. Now, I want to show you you know what? I don't want to show you the result. Actually, no. I'm not going to show you the picture on YouTube because if you see this sketch, you'll think, oh, she just changed the angle. You won't understand the decisions I made to get there. The decisions are what get you hired. If you want to see this after image, the kind of standard that lands me my dream publisher jobs and allows me to travel the world and watch exactly how I built it step by step, you need to be in this workshop. My free guide, The 5 Amateur Tells, showed you the symptoms of a broken portfolio, but how do you prevent them? You use my 3-pillar framework checklist. It covers every single one of those tells. Pillar 1 stops the stiff mannequin. Pillar 2 fixes the confusing page. Pillar 3 prevents inconsistent characters and backgrounds. I am not giving this checklist away publicly. It is the exclusive bonus for attendees of the Editor's Eye Workshop. I am hosting the Editor's Eye Workshop mid-December. I'll have the details to you shortly. I will be auditing my old work that I poured my soul into but just did not make the cut, live and teaching logical framework I just used. Now, I know you might be hesitating. You've likely spent a lot of money on classes, books, tuition, and you're wondering if one more workshop is really the answer. Well, let's look at the math. Art school tuition is what? $40,000 a year? I'm asking for $47. That's less than the cost of a textbook to give you the diagnostic answer art school missed. This is not a cost. It is insurance on your career. I've put all the details, the syllabus, the date, the bonus framework you'll get in the link below. Click the link, read the plan, and see if this is the right next step for your career. Stop shooting portfolios into the void. Let's fix your portfolios together. Link below.